Hi folks. Today we're talking about order of operations. Order of operations is the order in which you solve a math problem that has many components to it. The order of operations consists of this. We call it GEMDOS. You may have heard in the past as PEMDOS. The reason we call it GEMDOS with a G is for grouping. Used to, the PEMDOS dealt with parentheses, right? Parentheses, exponent, etc., etc. But we know there's different types of grouping. Okay? So we changed it, or somebody did. I had nothing to do with it. In any case, GEMDOS is grouping, exponent, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. And you want to scan your problem left to right using GEMDOS as a roadmap to solving the problem. I'll look over a couple examples with you. Number one, is there grouping? Yep. 3 times negative 6. That's a negative 18. Bring this down. Plus 2. Negative 18 plus 2 is negative 16. Again, number 2, grouping. Yeah, I do. I got grouping, right? I also got that E, that exponent, but what comes first? The grouping does. So I got to do inside parentheses first. So I'm going to drop this down, and then I'm going to have parentheses. 3 plus 2 is 5 squared. Now I'll do my exponent. 5 times 5 is 25. Bring down the 3 plus that. So 3 plus 25 is 28. All right, number 3. I've got grouping. I've got exponent, but I got to do the grouping first. 3 times 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1 times 1, or 1 squared is 1 times 4 equals 4, right? Okay. Let's do another one. Number 4, do I got grouping? I sure do. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 divided by 2 plus 18. If I follow this, divide comes before addition. 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 18 equals 22. Let's look at the back real quick. All right. Number 5. Is there... Well, let me back up here. What you want to do when you start your homework, when you're taking your test, whatever you're doing, go to the top of your page. Write GEMDOS. That way your roadmap's there. Now let's begin. Do you see any grouping? There isn't. Is there any exponents on number 5? Nope. Is there any multiplying? Nope. Is there a division? Yeah. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Bring down the 3 plus. Now add. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Number 6, is there grouping? Yeah, there is grouping, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. I have my little square. I got to do my exponent first. 4 times 4 is 16. And then 18 minus 16 equals 2. Okay? Now, in the essence of time, I won't have you do all 8 of them. I'm going to have you do number 1, number 3, number 5, and number 7. Just do the odd numbers, okay? So I'm going to scribble these out for now. Now, if you want to do these later, that's fine. But just for time's sake, that way you don't have to watch a super long video, we're just going to do those 4. So pause the video, take a second, try them on your own, and then unpause the video, and we'll go through them. Go ahead and pause it right now. If you haven't done it, pause it now. Now would be a good time. Go ahead and hit the button. Okay, maybe you hit the button, maybe you didn't. I don't know, can't see you, but I hope you did. So here's the questions and here's the answers. Number 1, what do we get? We get 6, I hope. And here we go. I got parentheses. Therefore, negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Then I'm going to times it by 4 and divide by 2. That gives me 12 divided by 2, which gives me 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Number 3. Let's see what we get. Negative 3, I have grouping, right? So negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. Plus 2 times 5. Can I go negative 5 plus 2? No. Follow GEMDAS. I got to multiply first. That's negative 5 plus 10, because 2 times 5. And negative 5 plus 10 equals 5. What about number 5? What do you think you got? It's a big one. That's a long and hard one there. Here we go. Now, do I have grouping? I do. That's 10. Times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. I've got exponents 4 squared. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. Following GEMDAS, my exponents are gone now. What about multiplying? I do. That is 30. I have 16 plus 30 minus 6 divided by 2. Can I go 16 plus 30 minus blah, blah, blah? I can't. I got division, right? I got to follow GEMDAS. So I'm going to come over here. 16 plus 30. Going to do the division. What is negative 6 divided by 2? That'd be negative 3. Now I can go straight across. 16 plus 30 is what? 16 plus 30 minus 3 is 43. All right, one more. 12 times 2 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Your answer is 0. All right, folks. Take a moment, do your practice problems on your exit slip. If you got problems, let me know. I'll be in touch with those that run into big issues on the exit slip. If not, hit your homework up when you're done.